In addition to being able to convert Excel files into PDF files as a whole, we can also convert data in Excel into PDF files for selected parts only. For example, data on one of the sheets in Excel that is long down, but we only want to convert it to a PDF file. Well, the way to change it is very easy. Friends, select the part you want to convert to a PDF file. Then go to the File menu and select Save As. Change the storage location and file name, then go to the Option menu. In the Option menu, change from Active Sheet to Selection in the Publish What section. After changing, select OK to save the settings, and click Save to change it to a PDF file. The PDF file will be saved in the location we have specified, and you can see the results. So, how are you, friends? Easy, right? Hopefully this tutorial is useful for all of you. See you in the next video.